been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. Baby girl.
Hey crazy crew, welcome back to another full day of eating. Today I've actually got a really busy work day, so I'm kind of going to be in and out. So obviously I'll show you all of my food, but I might not be able to talk as much as usual, which is probably a good thing for everyone. Also, yeah, I do still have a black eye. It's taking ages to go away. It's about 1:30, which is usually the time I start eating. I call it breakfast. It's not really breakfast. Call it whatever you want. Anyways, meal one, here we come. Alright, so in this smoothie I have got banana. I can't take myself seriously with this hat on. And a black eye. Anyways, in this simple breakfast smoothie we have got banana, frozen mango, spinach, parsley. If you haven't tried parsley in your green smoothies, it's so good for you. It's nutrient dense, you don't taste it. And black kale. And then also some coconut and almond milk. It's a mix of coconut and almond milk. And some water just to thin. Usually I would put hemp seeds in this as well. I've run out, gonna get some more this afternoon. And I'd also usually put protein powder in this, run out, gonna get some more this afternoon. Okay, before I blend this, one thing I was thinking about is when we get frozen mango, because I put frozen mango in everything, surely they don't wait until the fruit is properly ripe and then peel it, dice it, freeze it and sell it. Like, I'm sure they just get them when they're rock hard and chop them and freeze them and sell them to us like that, and we don't even know about it. Am I the only one that thinks about these things? Probably. Best mix ever, mango and greens, can never go wrong with that. And I must remember to chew this because Amanda always reminds me that I need to chew my smoothies. Usually I just gulp them down without even thinking. You guys probably do too. If you guys could see the weather today, it's just like miserable here. As miserable as my face with this black bruise. Anyways, I've got to rush out to a few appointments, obviously not dressed like this because I have to pass as an adult when I work. It's such a shame. Anyways, I'm gonna go gulp this down, chew this down, sorry, and I'll see you at lunch. Cheers.
Here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty South. Dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got to East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me.
Alright guys, so here is my lunch. I've got some avocado toast. I mean, can't ever go wrong with avocado toast. Am I right? I've got some toasted rye bread and a whole avocado just smushed over the top, sun-dried tomatoes, hemp seeds and tahini. And then in this bowl, I've just got a very simple cucumber, tomato, balsamic vinegar salad, which I'm very addicted to right now. And I've also got some hummus because hummus, and cucumber and hummus is one of the best combos in the world. Yeah, right now I'm severely addicted to cucumbers. I'm eating like 2 or 3 a day, just dipped in hummus or just with balsamic vinegar and salt. And it all started a couple of weeks ago when I was on YouTube. What a surprise. I don't know why it came up in my search bar because it's such an old video, but it's Mommytang was eating stir-fried cucumbers. And I don't know if it's just meat, whatever she eats or used to eat, she makes me crave it like crazy. I'll link the video I'm talking about down below. But anyways, since then, I've literally been eating huge cucumber salads with every single meal. Simple, fresh, delicious. It's all about the crunch. Anyways, I shall Anyways, see you at dinner. Also, quickly, just wanted to say about nut butters, right? I realized that I was tasting a lot, and no, I haven't run out. I haven't. I realized that I was tasting a lot that you can only buy in the UK, and I know that half of my audience are from the USA, so I thought it makes more sense if I try some that you guys can buy internationally, right? So if I tell you that they're good, you can go online and order them. So I have ordered some that are like really exciting to me anyway, but they're not here yet. So, and I know you're waiting for me to say you thought, but they're actually not here yet, so give me a break. I'm trying my best, okay? This doesn't mean that I'm defeated and I run out, okay? I will never run out. It's just that I'm waiting on a package, so. Alright guys, I'm feeling really lazy, so for dinner I'm just gonna be eating a whole jar of tahini with the spoon. Trust me, that day will come. No, really, I'm making a roasted gnocchi salad. A lot of people fry it to make it crispy, but you can also roast it. It does need a little bit of oil. I'm using some basil infused olive oil just to roast it with some salt and some pepper. Oh, it's just like crispy potato heaven. And I'm gonna make a huge, big, colorful, nutrient-dense salad to go with it, because you know me, I need my greens with every meal, so yeah. That sound. You can just hear the crunch. Just gonna go over with some balsamic glaze. Alright guys, so here's my crispy gnocchi salad. In here I have got a bed of rocket, arugula as you say in the States, some, I don't know what this lettuce is called, I think it's called butter lettuce, not sure, or gem lettuce, cherry tomatoes, steamed broccoli, another whole avocado of course, because you know, got to keep that skin glowing, and also I have got a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This is not balsamic vinegar, it's the thick stuff which is really condensed and sweet. It goes so well with vegetables. I know you can't tell because these gnocchis haven't browned that much, but they are incredibly crunchy. Listen to this. Oh. And again guys, I am totally happy with frying things like gnocchi in a little bit of olive oil, because look at the base of my diet. This is pure health, pure color, nutrient dense food. So again, don't fear it when you're making big salads like this. Oh, the crunch factor of this is just... Although, who the fuck am I kidding? Wait there. What can I say? I tried my best. I fooled myself into thinking, no, just gonna have avocado for the fat in this meal, but nope, here comes the brown stuff. Yep. Tell you what, yeah, the creamy avocado, because it's like soft and melting in your mouth, together with a bit of very crunchy gnocchi, as you can hear. Best combo ever. I just love simple, real, fresh food. And whatever that fresh food is, make sure you top it with tahini, and I'll be proud of you. All right, I'm gonna shut up now and destroy this. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope for your own sake that you make roasted gnocchi, because trust me, it's a life changer. Leave all of your comments and questions down below, subscribe, become a member of the crazy crew. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Satisfy my appetite with something spectacular. Check your vernacular, and then I get back to ya with diamond like precision, insatiable